Are you looking for the best soldering guns? In this video we will look at some of best soldering guns. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Weller D550 Soldering Gun. Finally on our list, the Apex D550 is a dual heating professional soldering gun that is German built and bears with it an international grade. Imported quality soldering gun built in Germany. Built to last with a highly sturdy body for professional and high-profile DIY jobs. Maximum heat wattage 260 watts for startup heating and a low of 200 watts for normal instant heating. Heats up ready to use in just 6 seconds of time. The trigger can be pressed high or low for heavy-duty or low-duty works. Number 4. Walllink Soldering Gun. Next on our list is a classic pistol-shaped retro-looking soldering gun. The Walllink WG992 KCS is a high-end and heavy-duty soldering gun. It has a very high wattage quick heat and also a substantial wattage heated tip maintaining temperature too. Dual wattage elements with 200 watts of quick heating of the tip in just a few seconds. Lower wattage of 110 watts to maintain the high temperature during reheat. Can control the output heat with the trigger that is both instant and easy to control. Tip temperature range of a maximum 1130 degrees in Fahrenheit that is heavy duty. Features a 1-inch large fully illuminating light for focused working. TE assemblies that can be changed with new tips. Real pistol fashion holding with a trigger by its side. Number 3. Dorman Soldering Gun. Next on our list is the Dorman 85369 is a budget-friendly soldering gun kit. Dorman is a 100-year-old brand within the automotive industry and the 85369 is a mid-level soldering gun kit. Unlike most of the soldering guns in the list, the Dorman 85369 is a simple mid-level soldering gun but has a universal fit to it. 100 watts of instant heat in a few seconds of usage. The trigger can be pulled back for higher heat and low for lower heat. Flux-infused soldering gun unit. Has a spanner, additional tip and a single wound of soldering wire is also provided in the packaging. Comes with a separate cup of zinc chloride flux. Has a bright LED bulb that lights up the finite area of soldering but does not have a focused beam unlike the other products in the list. Also available in pencil tip and also gun held. Number 2. Atd Tools Soldering Gun. Next on our list is the Atd Tools 3740, an 8-piece dual holster heating soldering gun kit. This kit comes in a blow-molded case and has a maximum of 230 wattage heat. Dual metal heating soldering gun of a maximum 230 watts heat but also has a minimum of 150 wattages. Comes with 3 general-purpose chrome finish copper soldering tips for soldering, cutting, and smoothing too. Comes with about 15 grams of lead-free solder wire and a flux brush. The handle has ergonomic grooves to it that makes holding the gun easier. Hard or medium push to the trigger will regulate the output temperature. Quick heating in just about 30 seconds initially but has quick reheat faster than that mid-soldering. Number 1. Weller D550 PK Soldering Gun. First on our list is the Weller D550 PK, a professional heavy soldering gun that is neatly packed away in a carry case. Rated one of the best soldering guns, this box comes with a temperature-controlled machine and an affordable price point. 200-watt setting professional soldering gun with a maximum switch of 260 watt power. The power can be controlled with the trigger adjustment at the fingertip. The fingertip trigger can let you control the high output or low output. Heats up very fast and swiftly in just under 6 seconds. Can heat up to a massive 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. Tin-plated heavy-gauge copper tips that are durable and very quick in transferring heat. The gun comes with 2 front-facing, highly focused and bright LED bulbs for torches. These aid in precise soldering and control over where you solder. Comfortable and soft grip on the pistol's handle that lets you perform soldering, smoothing, and also cutting.